Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen jelly cream, updated. Start with clean skin and apply a pea-sized amount to face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Gently pat the jelly until it disappears, then follow with sunscreen in the morning or a moisturizer at night. Use twice daily for best results and adjust frequency if you notice sensitivity. Keep the jar sealed and store away from heat. Warm a small amount of collagen jelly cream between your fingertips so it spreads evenly and absorbs faster. Pat the product onto cheeks, forehead, chin, and neck rather than rubbing, which helps preserve the skin barrier and reduces irritation. If layering, apply it before heavier creams and after lightweight serums to prevent pilling. Adjust the amount based on your skin type, using less for oily skin and more for dry areas. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read beauty guides and ingredient lists anywhere, so you can research products between skincare steps. It's lightweight, has a crisp display, and keeps your hands free while you apply creams. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use collagen jelly cream in the morning to add lightweight hydration and create a smooth base under makeup, and again at night to support skin repair and firmness while you sleep. If you combine it with exfoliants or retinoids, alternate nights to minimize irritation and observe how your skin responds. For a midday refresh, a tiny dab can revive dry patches without disrupting makeup or feeling greasy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.